Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. It will help me a lot when you subscribe to my channel, and then when there is a new video coming from EJ's Garage, it will tell you, hey, there's a new video coming. So please take your time to click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to talk about how bad is the value depreciation of VWs. That's right. Uh, Actually, I went to CarMax of Fredericksburg, Virginia on Saturday to find that out, and I drove my VW Tiguan. I have a 2013 VW Tiguan 4Motion. I mean, I bought it probably around $19,889. It was an expensive car. I think the first owner, okay, I didn't buy it new. It was secondhand. I think it was there was another owner before me. She spent around $31,000. Can you believe that? $31,000 in 2013. So, so basically, she spent $31,000 when she bought it brand new, and she sold it. She traded in somewhere in 2015, right? No. I bought mine 2016. That's right. So around 2016 I bought it. So she lost close to, yeah, 11 to $12,000. Okay, the owner who bought it brand new. So she owned it only what, 2013, 14, 15, 16. It's not that long. It's not like 3 years. And then after that, I bought it used from her for I think around 19,800, like $89, something right there. It's close to 20,000 when I bought it. So that was like 2016, right? And to find that out, I just went to CarMax of Fredericksburg, Virginia. I mean, they're very nice. The salesperson, Harold, he was very polite. He was very patient. He was very kind. In fact, I went to CarMax website. I plugged in all the information, my name, my phone number, my email, the mileage of the car, the VIN number, and all that stuff. I did it ahead of time, so they would know. They don't have to do it while I was there. So when I get there, I was being greeted by a salesperson, and then he asked me to sit down, and then he asked me for my driver's license, car registration, the title of the car. With the state of Virginia is really weird. It's like one title state. If you still owe a loan and there is a lien on your car, your bank has your actual title. You have this piece of paper from a title company. It doesn't say it's your title. The thing is, let's say CarMax buys my car, right? They will what do you call that? Give the money to CarMax, and then they will get the title from my lien holder. So anyway, to make long story short, so CarMax told me, why don't you go ahead, have a seat in the waiting room while this, what we call the inspector of the car, he would go out there, start going around my VW Tiguan and start to drive it around CarMax. He deliberately going to a bump like thunk, like that, because I saw the whole process how CarMax evaluated my car. That was interesting. So he went through underneath the car and he looked at it, the engine hood and all that stuff. So remember, I bought it for 19,000, right? I mean, the first owner lost around 11 to $12,000. Well, I thought I was doing well uh, until my name came on the screen. EJ's Tiguan review has been completed. The result of your appraisal offer from CarMax is ready to be reviewed. So anyway, the salesman called me to his cubicle, and then we talked, and then I thought it was ready, but it wasn't. The appraisal guy was sending the information to the salesman desk, and I could see it's still in process. So anyway, and then suddenly, ping, it was ready, right? So, how bad is the value depreciation of your VWs, especially VW Tiguan? I mean, my VW Tiguan is fully loaded, okay? And it's only 68,143 miles. So, I feel really sad when I look at this. $7,000. Oh my goodness. I mean, I bought it for 19,889. So how much did I just lose? It's close. Yeah, in 4 years. It's about right. In 4 years, like I feel the previous owner's pain. She lost 12 to 13,000. I just lost in 4 years $13,000. Think about it. So yeah, buying VWs. If you buy it for a long-term use, it's okay. But if you just want to flip it around and sell it again, let's say okay, 12 to 13,000, right? So divided by 4, like you lose around $3,000 a year. So yeah, if you're gonna keep it for 1 year and you have car payment, you're already upside down on the value. That's right. That's why you need gap insurance when you buy a VW. So when you get hit somewhere and then your VW is total, and guess what? You will owe more than what the car is worth. So that gap insurance will cover the rest of the depreciation. Yeah, it's really sad. So I'm pretty sad that CarMax. I mean, I didn't sell it yet, so I was like, oh god, $7,000, really? I'm going like, no way. And then this offer is valid until February 29, 2020. We'll buy your car for $7,000. I mean, can you imagine? You own the car for 4 years and then you lost that much money, at least $12 to $13,000. That's a lot of money. Especially I spent a lot of money maintaining it. Well, maintenance, you have to pay for it. The thing that got me was the turbo when it went bad, and the water pump cost me around $1,500. Yep, that's because I had insurance, warranty, not insurance. So yeah, it was supposed to cost me around $5,000, but the extended warranty, cover 80% of the repair. So I pay around like $1,400, $1,500. I don't remember the exact price, but again, so there you have it. How bad is the depreciation of the VWs? If you buy VWs, make sure you are planning to keep it for a long time, at least 4 to 5 years, maybe 6 years. Otherwise, you end up owing a lot of money. The thing is, especially when you take a loan, your car is guaranteed to lose a lot of values. BMW suffer the same thing. Mercedes suffer the same thing. German cars typically suffer the same thing. The thing is, if you don't know how to do DIY work, maintenance and repair, the cost of repairs are very expensive. Cars that are priced really high, let's say my Porsche Cayenne Turbo, I'm really scared to drive that thing like daily because I know it's gonna cost a lot to repair. Like the ball bearing costs like $1,200. So anyway, one ball bearing. So yeah, there you have it. How bad is the depreciation of the VW's cars, especially VW Tiguan? The answer is really bad. So again, my advice to you is don't buy it if you're just gonna keep it for 1 or 2 years, because you're gonna lose money. If you wanna, number two, if you wanna keep, if you wanna buy it, go ahead, buy it. If you are planning to keep it for at least 4 to 6 years, yeah, that's when you actually start to pay off some of your loan and get some money back. So yeah, you're not actually paying money to get rid of the car. A lot of people do that. I don't like to do that. You don't want to pay money like CarMax. If let's say you still owe 10, good thing this will cover the amount of my loan. I own only like $6,600 more on the loan, so I'm actually getting $300 back if I decided to sell with CarMax. Okay, and then that's what happened. So yeah, it's really interesting, guys. Again, is it really bad? It is really bad. And number three, can it be a good thing? Well, it's good for the buyer. If you're looking for used VWs, it's good for you because the depreciation is really bad. whoever buy it new or buy it second hand, that person will absorb the most depreciation. I'm the first buyer and the second buyer, which is me. We're like the dum of the world, because we are the one who absorb a lot. For those of you who come to CarMax and let's say buy it for this X amount of dollar, oh my God, this is such a great deal. So anyway, yeah, there you have it. VW's depreciation really is really bad. So yeah, I feel really bad. I'm like, oh, I'm really sad. Anyway, to make me happy, please click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I know this is really sad, depressing video, but you guys wanted to know, so there you have it. Is it bad, the depreciation? Yes, it is. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.